Okay, so here we are in the Blizzard Project M Grand Finals. Deku Scrub versus Tess. I have to say I am very surprised that Deku Scrub is in the winner's bracket. So there's a chance that we could have a huge upset here today at the Blizzard.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, here we go. Grand Finals, Game 1, Dreamland.
That's getting those shines. Oh, that's gonna be.
It's an early kill.
Yep.
That's a shine.
Very early kill. That's okay, because Deku Scrub can take this back with a couple grabs. Shine's doing a lot of work this game. Went all in with that forward smash, misses. Good gentleman. Ooh, okay, okay. I forgot you could do that. I got scared for a second. Making it back on stage. We still living. Still only about a stock behind. Oof, that's gonna be it though. Yep. PS2 is a starter, right? Well, I guess it's a neutral pick.
Oh, with that,
Down there, not sending him upward. Struggling to get that kill hit. Here it is. Yep.
Get that knee.
Side beat and knee.
Knee to knee.
He needs a lot of needs at this point. He's a stock and a half behind. This being Dreamland, Deku Scrub's still
It's
living.
not going to be as viable for Fox on the stage just because
Yeah.
Falcon can live a lot longer than Fox can. Well, actually, I take that back. But he's still going to live pretty long on the stage.
Yep, still living. 136 up air isn't gonna do it. Oof, caught him on the jump. Also no DI on that up smash, which I think definitely contributed to that kill. Command grabs. Knee after tech roll. Trying to get the knee after the roll away. I kinda have to sneeze. Okay. Ooh, went for it all there. Oh no. That's gonna.
Ooh, okay. So Tess.
Quick game to Tess.
Ending game 1.
Yeah. Alright, going to Green Hill Zone.
The counter pick is
Yeah, I think this is probably his best pick as well. Decently small platform. Falcon does a lot of movement around and doesn't give Fox enough room to laser. Also high ceilings for the up smash and up airs. For Fox's up smashes and up airs, I should say. And I want to say Falcon's... Yeah, most of Falcon's kills are going to come... Oh, that was bad.
Oh,
Most of Falcon's kills are going to come
That
from the
hurt.
side, from knees and up airs. So, this is
okay,
probably
good
the best
shield. Make
stage.
sure he doesn't continue to drill shine.
Nice tech. Deku Scrub's facing out the back airs, not quite doing enough good. Tess just shining his way to safety. Overextending on that up smash. Knee.
Oh, no, not quite.
No. There it is. Nope, too high.
Too high.
Alright, up
Up
air's
air.
gonna kill.
Up air kills.
Yep.
That's good.
Like I said in the beginning, up air and knee gonna kill.
No up B there.
A lot of shield pressure. Deku Scrub finding safety off the ledge. Oof. Alright, up B early to get over Fox's forward smash. I want to say that was a good reaction. I think that would have covered a lot, other than tech in place. I think he tried to space tech in place, but just missed. Ooh, nice wall jump, but Fox's Shine's still taking it away. Nice knee. That's gonna be a stock. Daggy Scrub only a stock behind. And he's still in winners, so if Tess wins, he has to go through a whole bracket reset. This ain't melee. Daggy Scrub making it back. Just jabbing for days.
Wow.
Daggy Scrub trying to get that stomp through the platform, not making it, and it's gonna be, yep, that's it.
Alright, so we are one game away from a potential bracket reset.
That we are.
But definitely, good showing by Deacon Grove. He might just still be warming up, because Tess was playing before Deacon Grove was, so there could still be some warming up going on. I know it sounds like
Going Mario.
I've went to the games unprepared and not warmed up, and I've got crushed before.
I wonder why the dock.
Character switch. Dr. Mario. Alright.
Two of the
I hope
three.
it isn't like that one time last year I switched to Mario and got slaughtered.
2 of the 3 games that Deku Scrub took off of Tess in winners finals were from Deku Scrub's Toon Link, though.
I mean, he's doing Mario things, so doing bad. It's just but nothing to do with the matchup.
So I'm almost anticipating after the bracket reset, a switch to Toon Link. He may just be using this game to try to feel out of Mario, like knowing that he'd lose a Falcon game.
Yeah, he could be.
Ooh. Doc can wall jump, right? Yeah, Mario can wall jump. Yeah, this game is not looking good.
Nah, it's not.
Alright, tech chases. That's shielding. Ooh, interesting forward air.
Able to jump above.
Living somehow. Nope, I saw a neutral air from Tess, but it didn't come out. Oh,
Good recovery.
the magnet.
Oh! Goes off stage. I don't know why he went off stage, but died for it.
There's no wall jump there either. Maybe it's just because Mario doesn't have as much horizontal movement as he's used to. But I'm almost positive Mario can wall jump.
We did take a stock on it, so
Yep.
better than nothing.
Does Flag on Shield turn him around? I wonder. Or Cape, I guess.
Oh. Alright.
Quit game 3.
And that's
Okay.
set 1 of the grand final.
Casey, turn that W into an L.
Fox.
And also 0-0.
Captain Falcon.
Alright, back to Falcon. They're both at 0, and they're both L's. There we go.
Alright. So,
Both in losers bracket.
yeah, both in losers bracket. I don't know if maybe there was some adjustment going on where Tess had to make sure that he was familiar with the Fox matchup back in winners final. Or, I'm sorry, the Captain Falcon matchup.
Well, like I said, 2 of the 3 games that Deku Scrub won were on his Toon Link. He won both games that he played Toon Link. Which is interesting, because he had just started Toon Link. but he liked them, so. I actually debated going Lucas against Psy Guy's Ness as well. Because I have a very bad Lucas. But I kind of worked on him, so. Tess getting the most reach out of this percent.
Oh, that's unfortunate. I honestly thought he was going to come back from that.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he faded back to grab ledge, or...
He might have faded back.
Yeah. Assuming that Tess would have rolled up or something.
Yeah.
Nice up air. Hit out of what looked like a jump out of shield? I'm not sure. Ooh, side B doing work. Gentleman, stomp, neat. Oh.
Waiting for that. Okay, that was smart. Just making sure that he knew what Tess was going to do before reacting.
Yes, very.
Oh.
Yep,
up
that's
smash.
gonna kill. I'm telling. I think Dick Scrub should just go younger at Toon Link. Nice spacing. Definitely keeping out of way of Fox's aerials and up smash. Nice roll away. Knee at low percent. Fox just doing Fox things.
Short hop back here.
Yep.
I don't know.
That's a Fox
Well,
thing.
I don't know. There's just something that he's not doing now. I feel like I don't feel like it's just like getting better at the matchups. I think it's also stuff that Pikachu Scrub was doing before that he's not doing now. Like,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
was, I don't think he was shielding. He was shielding those short hop back air flags, but now he's not.
Oh, I mean, you can only shield him so much. Fox having such a great shuffle game, just putting out aerials like crazy. You can only shield him for so long, especially when Tessa's inputs are so on point like that. Went for the forward smash. Oh. Ooh. Okay, nothing happening. Nice stomp. Good reaction. Try to get the back air, but Fox had a shield up.
Yeah, Tess, he could have get up attack before, and then maybe he would have hit Pikachu Scrub, but Pikachu Scrub wise enough, able to back away.
I think both of these players are very good at reacting to get up attacks, though.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Make, oh. Okay.
Oh,
Make it a back.
We living.
Up air, not quite gonna kill. And he's gonna take it.
Yep. Oh, 78%. He's still got a chance to make this big.
Tess looking like
got-
he's soul searching, even though he's a stock and a half ahead.
He got it. Yeah. All it takes is Tess SD, and this could be in Pikachu Scrub.
Tess SD, yes, yes. All it does take. Up smash is
Up smash on
not
the
quite gonna
platform?
kill.
Not quite.
I'm surprised. There must have been some like smash DI there.
Oh, barely missed the up there. That would have killed though. Wouldn't have missed that.
That's gonna
But that
kill.
up smash
Yep.
is pointing. So, game 1 is gonna go to Tess.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna still see Falcon. I think we are. Because I think it's stage selection
No,
and
it-
then
it-
character.
Yeah, it's stage first.
So
With the exception of the starter. The starter, you pick characters first.
oh yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
go!
Okay, Deku Scrub says he likes the stage. I think that it's a bad stage for Falcon.
Yeah.
Because the really low platforms are something that give people an escape from Falcon's tech chases and throws. But he says he likes it because oh wow, those up strings, those
I
up air
have to say
strings.
though, he had a strong start.
Yes, he did. But Deku Scrub says that he likes the stage because he can down air through the platforms, which he likes to do. He likes to stand on top of the platforms and down air. But that may be a bad idea against Fox because of up airs and up smashes. I don't know. I know up smash actually reaches pretty far, but I mean we'll see if he utilizes it. Side B's gonna let him back on stage. Still making it. Roll up. Going for the knee, missing. Back on stage. Shielding an up smash. Footsies. Good spacing. Oh. Trade not in Deku Scrub's favor. Weak knee. Ooh, that forward smash. Just a little bit misspaced. Command grabs. There we go. Oh. Double jumped way too fast. Nice grab. Ooh. Reacted on the tech roll in. Or guessed tech roll in. Tess spacing out with back airs. Ooh, not good. Ooh, definitely not good. That's looking like a 4-stock.
But that's at a high percentage, so it's not like it's a 4-stock.
Deku Scrub losing his oh. That one's gonna kill. Good regrab. Slow gentleman. Ooh, went for the stomp, missed it. Missed the gentleman, got the knee, or stomp. Tess trying to start something in the zone, but missing. Spacing out with back airs again. Deku Scrub finding his way in with the neutral airs. Stomps shield. Went for it all there. Oof. Tess overextending and losing a stock because of it.
Small comeback on our heads.
He's at yeah, it's game. Ah, I saw an up air. I mean, he's at like 139. He was at 101 at the start of the stock, so I want to say that that forward throw was going to take it.
So I don't know if we're gonna see a character switch here or not. He might still keep going Falcon.
Yeah. I'd rather not comment until I see it.
Yeah.
They can hear us.
Yeah. No.
Alright, they can Falcon all the way through. Too much pride.
I think he has two.
Too much pride in his great American hero. Ooh, Shine's gonna send him off stage. Just far enough away that he doesn't get the grab. Fox doing a really good job just weaving in and out with nairs and dares. Falcon not sure what to do. Goes off stage for safety, comes back with the knee on shield. Stomp, missed the knee. Still low percent.
He'll be at a high enough percentage so he'll get by a knee though pretty soon.
Yeah. Went for the grab, got stuffed by Fox's back air. Back air's gonna kill. Stomp to knee is gonna take it. Still a stock behind, has a lot of work to do. Tess using a lot of time up on the platform up there. Both kind of feeling each other out. Lots of footsies. Missed the stomp. Missed side B. Fox tech chase, missed the up smash. Got an up air, missed the second one. Power shield. DBZ trade. Up smash sending him backwards. Backer's gonna take it. That was a crispy back air. What was that? Up tilt?
I mean, the last tournament talk.
Yes.
Can't figure something out here.
Good down smash. I feel like that was good if Tess didn't ledge stall. Deku Scrub missing his read. Tech rolls behind Tess to get safe. Interesting grab. Okay, we living.
Yeah, just barely though. 123 still at 5%.
Alright.
Yep. Still
Deku Scrub just a stock behind and a half. Tess reading the get up attack. Up smash not gonna kill. Up. Oh,
no up.
yeah,
No
that was a missed input.
That was a good chance for Tess to take that last stock.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't think he's too worried about it. That back air could have killed if it got reversed. And that's that's gonna be it.
Set. Both of these guys, really good, solid performance out of both of these guys, especially Deku Scrub in losers finals. Or I'm sorry, winners finals.
Yeah, definitely. That was a pretty good game.
Yeah. So we are going to end the project demo here, and we're
Go
going
to
switch over
Smash 4! Yay!
Your favorite game.
Yeah, I'm leaving now.
Alright. So we're gonna go offline soon.
Minnie Mouse signing off. Peace.
Yep.